We're moving through the middle of the session here, and the tone this hour is classic risk on with a side of caution. AI and crypto are catching a strong bid. While in the background, Wall Street is still gaming out what the Fed's next move really means for liquidity and money markets. I'm Grant Mercer, and this is Storm Stock Solutions, bringing a little clarity through the chaos in today's tape. Let's start with what's changed in the last hour or so. According to MarketWatch, one of the year's hottest AI names, Credo, is pushing to fresh gains as investors reward big growth numbers and a more diversified business mix, both in customers and in products. That's important because it tells you this AI trade isn't just about one or two mega-cap leaders anymore. Money is still flowing into the broader ecosystem around high-speed connectivity and data infrastructure. You're seeing a similar broadening out mindset in a very different corner of the market: income stocks. Reporting highlighted by MarketWatch points to a value manager flagging 17 dividend-paying names as potential bargains, with a reminder that you have to be willing to stomach volatility. That's a window into how professionals are thinking. They're still hunting for yield and value, even as growth and AI dominate the headlines. On the more speculative side, crypto has re-entered the spotlight. Steve Goldstein and Joy Wiltermuth at MarketWatch note that Bitcoin has bounced back above $91,000. And the bigger twist is Vanguard finally allowing clients access to third-party crypto ETFs. For a traditionally conservative powerhouse like Vanguard to dip a toe into crypto is less about today's price move and more about the slow, steady march of institutional acceptance. Traders will be watching whether this adds another leg to the crypto adoption story or if it ends up being a sell the news type of event. Now let's talk about the main risk theme hanging over all of this: the Fed and liquidity. Charlie Garcia's piece at MarketWatch underscores that. While everyone's fixated on the timing of the first rate cut, the central bank has already made a major money move in terms of how liquidity backstops work. The article warns that if we ever see a 2019-style funding squeeze again, money market funds could be the first domino. That doesn't mean a crisis is imminent, but it's a reminder that the plumbing of the financial system matters. And that's exactly the kind of thing that can show up as sudden volatility even when the surface looks calm. In the background, there are some under-the-radar stories worth having on a watch list. One is AMD. According to reporting by Brittany Nguyen at MarketWatch, TD Cowen is calling AMD a top chip idea for next year, with the company expected to ramp its Helios rack-scale solution and MI450 AI accelerators in mid-2026. That's a long runway, but it reinforces a broader theme. The AI race is shifting from just raw chips to full systems and data center solutions. Even if AMD isn't the headline of the day, these are the kinds of roadmap updates that can quietly reshape leadership in semis over the next few years. Another sleeper theme isn't a ticker at all, it's investor behavior. MarketWatch's Weston Blasey digs into what makes a perfect investor as half Gen X discipline, half Gen Z curiosity, and risk tolerance. It's a softer story, but in a day where you've got AI rockets, dividend bargain hunters, and Bitcoin ripping higher, it's a good reminder that process and temperament often matter more than chasing the hottest move on the screen. Looking ahead into the next hour, I'll be watching three things: whether this AI momentum around names like Credo spills over into the broader semiconductor and data center complex, how sticky this Bitcoin bounce is now that the Vanguard news is out, and whether we see any reaction in short-term funding markets or rate-sensitive areas as more people digest that Fed liquidity story. Remember, this is information and education, not personalized financial advice. As always, I'll be here to keep clarity through the chaos of these markets. On behalf of Storm Stock Solutions, I'm Grant Mercer. Stay sharp, stay steady.